A patient is scheduled for a urinary catheterization. In which position should the nurse place the patient? Dorsal recumbent position, Trendelenburg position, supine position, lithotomy position. The correct answer is dorsal recumbent position. A patient is scheduled for angio-feeding. In which position should the nurse place the patient? Low Fowler's position, supine position, Trendelenburg position, side-lying position. The correct answer is A. Low Fowler's position. A nurse administers an intravenous solution of 0.45 sodium chloride with respect to human blood cells. To which category of fluids does the solution belongs to? Isotonic, hypotonic, isometric, hypertonic? The correct answer is hypotonic. Breastfeeding week is celebrated on first week of March, first week of July, first week of August, first December. The correct answer is C. First week of August. Quarantine is the isolation of healthy individual for longest incubation period of disease, for shortest incubation period of disease, for twice the incubation period of disease, for period of generation time. The correct answer is for longest incubation period of disease. Autoclaved articles can be preserved for the duration of 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 4 days. Correct answer is B. 2 week. The branch of science which deals about structure and function of human body is called anatomy, physiology, pathology. The correct answer is C. Anatomy and physiology. Patella is shoot bone, irregular bone, sesamoid bone, flat bone. The correct answer is C. Sesamoid bone. Axial skeleton consists of dot bones 70, 80, 100, 90. The correct answer is B. 80. The tendon connects between muscle to muscle, bone to bone, none. The correct answer is A. Muscle to bone. The capacity of air that can be forcibly expired after the deepest possible inspiration is called vital capacity, tidal volume, expiratory reserve volume, residual volume. The correct answer is A. Vital capacity. Alveoli are lined internally by columnar epithelium, ciliated epithelium, pavement epithelium, cuboidal epithelium. The correct answer is B. Ciliated epithelium. The enlargement of heart by any pathological condition is called pericarditis, cardiomyopathy, myocardial infarction, cardiomegaly. The correct answer is D. Cardiomegaly. Normal pH of blood is 7.30 to 7.40, 7.35 to 7.45, 7.34 to 7.40, none. The correct answer is B. 7.35 to 7.45. The condition in which kidney fails to form urine is called dysuria, anuria, polyuria, hematuria. The correct answer is B. Anuria. Exercise that move each muscle and joint are called abduction, range of motion, abduction, rotation. The correct answer is B. Range of motion. A nurse is preparing to change client's dressing. What is the reason for using surgical asepsis during procedure? Keep the area free of microorganism, confines microorganism to the surgical site, protects cells from microorganism in the wound, reduces the risk for growing opportunistic microorganism. Correct answer is A. Keep the area free of microorganisms. 4 pints of normal saline should be provided within 24 hours. Nurse should regulate IV at 21 drops per minute, 25 drops per minute, 31 drops per minute, 40 drops per minute. The correct answer is A. 21 drops per minute. A patient is to receive 2 mg of digoxin. You have 2 ml of medicine which contain 4 mg per ml. The nurse should administer 0.5 ml, 1 ml, 1.5 ml, 2 ml. The correct answer is A. 0.5 ml. Rheumatic heart disease is caused by group A hemolytic streptococcus, staphylococcus, clavicea. The correct answer is A. Group A hemolytic streptococcus. What a nurse should assess in a patient undergoing blood transfusion? Dyspnea, tachycardia, headache, backache. The correct answer is B. Tachycardia. An average urinary output of an adult is 0.5 ml per kg, 1 ml per kg, 1.5 ml per kg, 2 ml per kg. The correct answer is A, 0.5 ml per kg. Total volume of water intake in a healthy adult is about 500 ml, 1500, 1000, 2500 ml. The correct answer is D, 2500 ml. Back care is given to the client to meet his or her safety needs, physiological needs, self-esteem needs, self-actualization. The correct answer is A, safety need. Sickness is a state of social dysfunction, subjective state of person feeling unwell, impaired physiological function, impaired psychological function. The correct answer is A, social dysfunction. Vomiting should not be induced in kerosene poisoning, organophosphorus poisoning, cyanide poisoning, organochloride poisoning. The correct answer is A, kerosene poisoning. Which route is used for hypersensitivity test of medicine? Subcutaneous, intradermal, intramuscular, intravenous. The correct answer is B, intradermal. The enzyme trypsin is produced by stomach, liver, small intestine, pancreas. The correct answer is D, pancreas. To irrigate the colostomy, the height of solution to be kept in 45 cm, 50 cm, 55 cm, 65 cm. The correct answer is A, 45 cm. Approximate height of IV bottle from the bed of the client should be 30 cm, 35 cm, 45 cm, 55 cm. The correct answer is C, 45 cm. After tube feeding, the next action the nurse should take is to place the client on his back, place the client on his left, clamp the tube, instill plain tap water down to the tube. The correct answer is D, instill plain tap water down to the tube. About $1 of water per day is lost from the body of adult through feces: 100 ml, 500 ml, 200 ml, 1000 ml. The correct answer is C, 200 ml. Policeman of body is RBC, platelet, WBC, ANC. The correct answer is C, WBC. What is best infusion given for nutritional purpose? RL bicarbonate, 10% dextrose, normal saline. The correct answer is C, 10% dextrose. One of the main functions of liver is formation of blood cells, detoxification of poisonous substances, secretion of urine, secretion of bile. The correct answer is detoxification of poisonous substances. Using the principle of standard precaution, the nurse should wear gloves in what nursing intervention? Providing back care, feeding a client, providing hair care, providing oral hygiene. The correct answer is D, providing oral hygiene. The nurses understand that in the absence of pathology, a client's respiratory center is stimulated by O2, ATP, calcium ions, carbon dioxide. The correct answer is D, carbon dioxide. The enzyme study most specific to myocardial infarction is LDH, SGOT, SGPT, CPKMB. The correct answer is D, CPKMB. Largest gland in the body is liver, brain, spleen, thyroid. The correct answer is A, liver. Which of the following is the largest cranial nerve? Vagus nerve, optic nerve, trigeminal nerve, trochlear nerve. The correct answer is C, trigeminal nerve. Rule of 9 is related to hypertension, burn, MI, COPD. The correct answer is B, burn. The nurse is aware that fluid deficit can most accurately be assessed by a change in body weight, the presence of dry skin, a decrease in blood pressure, and altered general appearance. The correct answer is A, a change in body weight. Antibodies are produced by plasma cell, erythrocyte, lymphocytes, basophil. The correct answer is C, lymphocytes. Before taking the oral temperature of a client who has just finished a cold drink, the nurse should wait 10 to 20 minutes, 25 to 35, 45 to 55, at least 1 hour. The correct answer is 10 to 20 minutes. Carpal tunnel syndrome is unaffected radial nerve, median nerve, ulnar nerve, tibial nerve. The correct answer is B, median nerve. The name of nursing diagnosis is linked to the etiology with the phrase as manifested by, as evidenced by, due to, related to. The correct answer is D, related to. Which of the following is the most common symptom of myocardial infarction? Chest pain, dyspnea, edema, palpitations. The correct answer is A, chest pain. ADH is produced by hypothalamus, posterior lobe of pituitary gland, both non. The correct answer is A. Hypothalamus. The human cell contains 44 chromosomes, 48 chromosomes, 46 chromosomes, 23 chromosomes. The correct answer is C. 46 chromosomes. The bile is stored in liver, kidney, pancreas, none of these. The correct answer is D. None of these. Stomatitis is the inflammation of stomach, gallbladder, buccal mucosa, appendix. The correct answer is C. Buccal mucosa. Blood pressure is higher in infant, adolescents, adult, aged people. The correct answer is D. Aged people. Nursing education was first started in Nepal in 1950, 1952 AD, 1952 AD, 1956 AD. The correct answer is D. 1956 AD. In Raynaud's disease, the symptoms are chiefly located at legs, hands, chest, neck. The correct answer is B. Hands. Nursing intervention of a patient who is at shock stage: elevate the both legs, start IV fluid, check vital signs, sent for hospital. The correct answer is A. Elevate the both legs. How to best assess the degree of edema in extremities: checking the pitting, weighing the client, measuring the affected area, monitoring intake output. The correct answer is A. Checking the pitting. In a patient getting diuretic, which is most important: temperature, pulse, BP, respiration. The correct answer is C. BP. Reflex action is controlled by spinal cord, cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata. The correct answer is A. Spinal cord. When teaching an insulin-dependent patient about dietary management, nurse should instruct the patient to weight all food on a gram scale, eat all meal at home, prepare the patient food separately, always carry concentrated from glucose. The correct answer is D. Always carry concentrated form of glucose. While surgery, who count the spoons and instruments? Circulator nurse, scrub nurse, both A and B, scrub nurse only. The correct answer is C. Both A and B. The nurse is preparing her plan of care for her patient diagnosed with pneumonia. Which is the most appropriate nursing diagnosis for this patient? Fluid volume deficit, decreased tissue perfusion, impaired gas exchange, risk for infection. The correct answer is C. Impaired gas exchange. The nurse needs to carefully assess the complaint of pain of the elderly because older people are expected to experience chronic pain, have a decreased pain threshold, experience reduced sensory perception, have altered mental function. The correct answer is C. Experience reduced sensory perception. Which of the following drugs will be administered to treat anaphylaxis? Atropine, sodium bicarbonate, digoxin, epinephrine. The correct answer is D. Epinephrine. Which of the following is a common cause of orthostatic hypertension in a bedridden patient? Increased autonomic response, decreased circulating blood volume, increased cardiac output, decreased autonomic response. The correct answer is decreased circulating blood volume. Which of the following is the organism that causes peptic ulcer disease? Staphylococcus, Corynebacterium, Helicobacter pylori, Streptococcus. The correct answer is C. Helicobacter pylori. A patient who is receiving intravenous fluids develops tenderness, warmth, erythema and pain at the infusion site. Which of the following condition will you suspect? Sepsis, infiltration, fluid overload, phlebitis. The correct answer is D. Phlebitis. Rose spot is seen in malaria, kala-jar, typhoid, TB. The correct answer is typhoid. Cornick sign is a striking feature of meningitis, tetanus, epilepsy, tuberculosis. The correct answer is A. Meningitis. Alma Ata Conference was held in 1988, 1978, 1968, 1998. The correct answer is B. 1978. During post-operative period, which problems should be given highest priority? Pain, vomiting, anxiety, cough. The correct answer is B. Vomiting. Hallucination is defined as perception of stimulus in the presence of an actual stimulus, perception of a stimulus in the absence of an actual stimulus, mistaken or misinterpretation of sense impression, disorientation of time, place and person. The correct answer is B. Perception of a stimulus in the absence of stimulus. All are the contraindication of morphine except increase in cranial pressure, head injury, hypotension, severe hepatic impairment. The correct answer is C. Hypotension. When the patient's heartbeat, circulation of blood suddenly stop, it is cardiac failure, cardiac arrest, heart block, heart attack. The correct answer is B. Cardiac arrest. Which one of the following conditions should be given first priority? Blunt trauma injury, ventricular fibrillation, head injury, shock. The correct answer is B. Ventricular fibrillation. The most threatening complication of vomiting in clients with stroke is aspiration, dehydration, fluid and electrolyte imbalance, malnutrition. The correct answer is A. Aspiration. Brain can survive for ... after the stoppage of heartbeat 1 minute, 4 minutes, 6 minutes, 10 minutes. The correct answer is B. 4 minutes. All are the contraindications of nitroglycerin except hypotension, glaucoma, head trauma, severe anemia. The correct answer is A. Hypotension. The manifestation of chronic cardiac disease is chest pain, cleft fingertips, flushed facial skin, barrel-shaped chest. The correct answer is B. Cleft fingertips. The nurse realizes that pain associated with a coronary occlusion is caused primarily by arterial spasm, ischemia of the heart muscle, blocking of coronary veins, irritation of nerve endings in the cardiac plexus. The correct answer is B. Ischemia of the heart muscle. The most common site of cervical cancer is at upper quadrant, lower quadrant, upper outer quadrant, all of the above. The correct answer is A. Upper quadrant. Most of the breast cancer is malignant, benign, both A and B, none. The correct answer is B. Benign. Commonest presentation of twin pregnancies is vertex plus bridge, both vertex, both bridge, bridge plus vertex. The correct answer is B. Both vertex. In prenatal development, fetal weight gain is most rapid in first trimester, second trimester, third trimester, implantation period. The correct answer is C. Third trimester. How often Depo-Provera is given? Every 3 months, every 6 months, every 2 months, every 1 month. The correct answer is A. Every 3 months. Pregnancy lasts for 180 days, 248 days, 280 days, 300 days. The correct answer is C. 280 days. Fertilization occurs at fallopian tube, uterus, ovary, abdominal cavity. The correct answer is A. Fallopian tube. The smallest form of fat digestion is fatty acid, amino acid, triglyceride, chylomicrons. The correct answer is A. Fatty acid. Human blood is nucleated, non-nucleated, oval, polymorphonuclear. The correct answer is B. Non-nucleated. Cerebrospinal fluid is present in subdural space, subarachnoid space, blood, all of the above. The correct answer is B. Subarachnoid space. In brain there is no glucose, urea, amino acid, protein. The correct answer is B. Urea. Insulin is secreted by gamma cell, beta cell, alpha cell, delta cell. The correct answer is B. Beta cell. How many essential amino acids are there? 10, 1, 5, 3. The correct answer is A. 10. Complete food digestion ends at small intestine, stomach, duodenum, large intestine. The correct answer is A. Small intestine. Abhivadan approach is used in demonstration, discussion, interviewing, counseling. The correct answer is D. Counseling. The word community is derived from German word, Greek word, Roman word, Latin word. The correct answer is D. Latin word. Seaweed are important source of fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. The correct answer is D. Iodine. Essential fatty acid eicosapentaenoic acid, linoleic acid, arachidonic acid, linoleic acid. The correct answer is D. The digestion of carbohydrate starts from stomach, small intestine, large intestine, mouth. The correct answer is D. Mouth. The age of brief separation pain is 1 to 3 years, infant, preschooler, 6 years above. The correct answer is A. 1 to 3 years. Lipase is present in pancreatic juice, gastric juice, saliva, bile. The correct answer is A. Pancreatic juice. The nurse knows that wheezing associated with asthma is due to narrowing of bronchial lumen, partial obstruction of the larynx, infection of tracheobronchial streak, chronic dilation of alveoli. The correct answer is narrowing of bronchial lumen. Which is the most common characteristic of the client with diabetic insipidus? Polyuria, polyphagia, glycosuria, hyperglycemia. The correct answer is a polyuria. A nurse initially will use an ambu bag in the ICU when respiratory arrest occurs. Client is in ventricular failure. Respiratory output must be monitored. Surgical incision with copious drainage is present. The correct answer is A. Respiratory arrest occurs. Discharge from ear is known as rhinorrhea, otorrhea, leukorrhea, none. The correct answer is B. Otorrhea. Wax is secreted by ceruminous, sebaceous gland, lacrimal gland, thymus. The correct answer is A. Ceruminous. Custom is an example of ... environment: physical, social, cultural, biological. The correct answer is B. Social. In community diagnosis process, evaluation indicators are during assessment phase, action phase, evaluation phase, dissemination phase. The correct answer is B. Action phase. In cities, the solid wastes are called refuse, litter, garbage, sewage. The correct answer is A. Refuse. Hospital refuse is best disposed by composting, sanitary landfill, incineration, burial. The correct answer is C. Incineration. In a septic tank, the recommended liquid depth is 2 feet, 4 feet, 6 feet, 7 feet. The correct answer is B. 4 feet. The water that does not contain human excreta is sewage, scum, slush, sewage. The correct answer is A. Sewage. During blood transfusion, fever appears, then what should be done? Give PCM, call senior, immediately stop transfusion, wait till transfusion stops. The correct answer is C. The weight of prostate gland in an adult is about 10 gram, 25 gram, 35 gram, 40 gram. The correct answer is B. 25 gram. UTI is common in female because uterine pressure over bladder, monthly menstruation, shorter urethral length, frequent sexual intercourse. The correct answer is C. Shorter urethral length. A client with osteoporosis is vulnerable to fatigue fracture, pathologic fracture, greenistic fracture, compound fracture. The correct answer is B. Pathologic fracture. Indirectly, inguinal hernia are seen more common in male, female, randomly, male and female equally. The correct answer is A. Male. For correct breast palpation, the nurse uses her heel of hand, index finger and hand, pads of her fingertips. The correct answer is D. Pads of her fingertips. Most of the vitamins are absorbed in intestine, liver, kidney, lungs. The correct answer is B. Liver. यस्तै भिडियोको लागि मेरो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्न होला। त्यसैगरी यो भिडियोलाई लाइक र शेयर गर्न नभुल्नु होला। धन्यवाद।